Hello children, are you ready? Yes, so today we are going to make unicorn. Unicorn we are going to make. I will show you the drawing step by step, okay? In my drawing copy. You take out your pencil and eraser, okay children? And nice color we are going to add. Okay children, ready? Yes, take out your pencil and eraser. Okay children, first we will make the drawing, then we will color. Ready children? Yes, so let's start the drawing. And subscribe the channel. Okay children? Let's start. Hello children, so let's start the drawing. Okay, first here we will start the drawing from here. Okay, first we will make the face like this. Now we will make the eyes. Done. Okay, so next here we will make here curve line, then the ear, now we will add here some line. Now we will make the legs. Done. Now we will make the tail. Now we will make the nose. Okay, so we are going to color now. Okay children, we have done the unicorn. Now we will color. Ready children? Yes, so let's start the coloring. So let's start the color children. First we are going to use the red color. Okay, this is my red color. I am going to use the red color here. Okay, so first slowly we are going to do. Okay children, you can sing the song slowly, step by step. So here I am going to use the red color, dark red, crimson red. This color we are going to use. Done children? Yes, slowly, slowly we are going to use. Now I am going to use the pink color. So here I am going to use the pink color. What is your favorite color children? Yes, will tell me first what is your favorite color? Okay, मेरा तो pink color बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है? I love pink color and blue color also. What is your favorite color? Okay children, what is your favorite color? You can tell me. Yes, so now here we are going to use the pink color step by step, slowly. See children, like this, step by step, slowly. Step by step, slowly we are going to do. See children? Done. Next what we are going to use? Now we are going to use the violet color. So children, different color we are going to use. So first we will start from here. Violet color. See, step by step, slowly we are going to do. Violet color. Okay children, now I will use the light blue color. See children, this is also my favorite color. Okay, do you like light blue children? Yes, so I like light blue and pink color. slowly एकदम slowly करना, ठीक है? एकदम slowly करना, एकदम slowly. Okay, so next we are going to use the red color. Now we are going to use the red color here. So slowly we will make here. See, I have done the red color, okay? And now we will color the horn. This one we will color. First, I am going to use the yellow color here, okay? Different color we are going to use. Pink color, red color. So now I will use orange color here, okay? Different color we are going to use here. But slowly, okay children? But slowly we are going to do. Yeah, children. So next, which one? Oh, I am confused now. Yes. Now I will use the pink color again here. I have used pink color. Done children? Yes. So now here, in this portion, I am going to use the brown color and then yellow color for the ear. Yellow color for the ear. Now I will use the dark blue color for his eyes. So I am using the dark blue color here. So children, like this. I have used the dark blue color. Now the tail, okay? Tail also we will use different color. Now who will tell me what color we are going to use? Tell me. Yes, now pink color we are going to use. So here, this is pink color. चलो जल्दी से complete कर दो pink color. चिक slowly children. एकदम slowly step by step. चिक या ऐसे करना होगा, एकदम step by step. See children, एकदम धीरे करना होगा. So like this, slowly I am going. See children. Or you can make music. Some music you can make like this. Ting. So here I am using this pink color. Children, I am using the light blue color again. So this is my light blue color. Like this. I am using the light blue color here, step by step, slowly. So, done. Next, we are going to use the red color. So, this red I am going to use. Step by step children, slowly. Done. Okay, so now we are going to use the pink color for the outline. Okay, so now I will use the pink color, see, for the pencil line. Here I am using the pink color for the outline. See, like this. I am using the pink color for the line. Here also we will use the pink color. Yes, pink color is my favorite color, children. So pink color done. And here this portion also we will use the pink color. Yeah. Tick, 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 tick. Slowly, 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 ting, 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 step by step, ting, ting, ting. So see, I have made a song. Slowly, slowly, ting, 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 step by step, ting, ting, ting. Like this, we are going to complete the coloring. Slowly, slowly, step by step. See, children, we have made a unicorn. So this is our unicorn. You are going to color like this. Okay, children. Now, yes, these lines we will make little bit dark. These lines for the eyes we will make little bit dark. Okay, done, children. So you are going to practice the unicorn like this. Okay, children. Bye bye.